frame is now covered in primer and it's ready for paint. I've now finished sanding down the frame with 320 grip and it looks perfect. Now going to use this metallic green to do some stripes on the bike. Okay, so it's now painted in the areas I wanted it to, so this part here and the top part there, which is fully painted, and I also have it taped up just so I could leave that part. Everything else is going to go into black. I have completely painted the whole frame in black, keeping in mind the tape is still there, and at the top there, but it looks fantastic. I have now just peeled off the first stripe, as you can see, and it looks absolutely fantastic. You can see the glitter, and it's fantastic how it turned out. Now I'm gonna knock the bottom part off as well and see how that looks. It has turned out absolutely fantastic. You can see them well, and the paint had no problems while I was taking the tape off. You can see how good it looks. I'm going to throw on the stickers now. Now I'll put the stickers on. They look absolutely incredible on the bike. Let's do the other side now. I've done the other side and it looks fantastic also. Let's see. Now we're gonna hit it with the clear coat. Okay, so now the bike has been sitting for 24 hours and it's completely dry. The paint looks fantastic. The clear coat has laid on perfectly, and so now we're gonna get on to putting on the new parts and see how it turns out. So let's get on with it. So I have now put some grease up where the bearings sit, which is good. Right, now we have the new fork going in. Nice. great. So I've now placed everything on, and what we're going to do next is measure where you want to cut your bars so it's the right length for you. And so we're now going to take everything off and cut this up to here. Now cut the tube down to where I need it to be, and also sanded the area down so it's not rough, because it can cut. Right, so after we've cut it, now we are going to put it back into its place. Just get that through. That is now nearly done. I'm going to put the bars on. So I'm now putting on the bars. Which I'm going to torque to 5 Newton meters. Going to use a torque wrench and torque it up to 5 Newton meters. Usually to torque the bottom bracket up, it's around 25 to 30 Newton meters. I'm gonna torque this one up, but first I have to put this in, like that, and this on the other side. So I have now placed the bottom bracket in. Now it's time for pedals. One's on. Get the bolt in. There we are. Now we're going to do the other one. The other side. Just like so. And then the bolts in as well. And I'm going to tighten that now. So now we have them bolted on. They look absolutely fantastic. Now we're going to put the pedals on. Right, so we have the first pedal on. Just going to tighten it now. There we go, should be enough. Now we have the other pedal on, and I've tightened that also, so it looks good. Okay, so now I'm going to tighten in the derailleur. glass on there.